Welcome to Powerful Trade. Hope everyone is doing very well. And recently we have identified this new technical tool which is working most of the time. So based on that, this video has been identified. So this video is basically like today we are going to cover mainly about how PCR works to identify the Nifty direction, as well as it will help us to take a correct view about the upcoming direction. So let us dive into the first slide where I'm going to talk about how we are going to see the benefit as well as the overall indicator, PCR indicator, how it works and how we can use it. Okay. So before going further forward, I want to just tell what is the main motto of Powerful Trade. Basically, whatever our new identification or understanding over the market, we want to convey you the information as well as the value addition to the trading as well as the investment. That is the main thing. And to become a successful trader or investor, you have to be more smarter than the market, or you have to be like adapting the market as quick as possible. So that is where we call like we have to be smart. And third thing, we want to make everyone unlimited, because like market is also a unlimited like ocean. So how we are getting benefit out of it and make ourselves unlimited. So that is the idea of or the objective behind that Powerful Trade. So like now we'll go into how what is PCR and how it works. So if you see what is PCR, PCR is basically it is a put call ratio. So it is a technical indicator. Generally, it will tell you basically we are comparing the volume of puts and volume of calls, how people are betting in puts and calls. That is the basic definition for this. And the formula is total put volume by open interest divided by total call volume by open interest. So this is the way PCR is identified, and based on that you will get a number which will be higher or lower. So now how we can apply practically, and we will go with some example such that we you will be able to understand how we can use it. Okay. So now first how and where to check, where you will be able to check uh, this PCR as well as how we can implement. So that I will explain now. So basically, like as of now, we are following using Sensible, which is a free tool anyone can use, and then look into the detail and how we can apply. Also, I will explain opening Sensible. So and one more information I want to tell you, like please follow us to get such information in Telegram, Twitter, and YouTube. So all three places we are posting our findings and information. So which will be very useful for investor as well as the trader. So now coming to the next, just I have shown one sample here. So if you look at the PCR, like this is the recent one which I am showing. So if you see, this is the what you call expiry I have selected. So this is third expiry, which is tomorrow, and it is in a manual. And if you see, this is the place like where we made a top. Okay, so in that instant we were more than one. That was a closing as well. Next day there was a gap down, and then whatever further it has retested very close to that. Then post which we had a very good fall, and in this area once again close to this area, like we you are finding once again PCR going below zero point 0.5. Okay, so basically two things you can see. This is the area we were more than one, and this is the area we were more less than zero point 0.5. So majority of the time, the market has to like bottom out, which means a temporary bottom out near zero point 0.5, and at the same time, majority of them you can find that bottom will top out near the means one and above PCR. So this is what our understanding, and we are continuously posting in Telegram as well as the Twitter also how wonderfully PCR is working in this present market condition, and that is what I'm just want to explain also. So if you look at our this thing like um, basically I want to show like we have posted on what is the date, January 4th. We told that PCR is above 1.5, and the majority are going towards breakout by seeing the price, but market will go on minority side. So this is where PCR is helping. See, when PCR is above 1.5, which means majority of the people are on bullish side, and that is where market may go into the other direction. That is what we told, and within a few days there was around 500 600 point fall, and that is what the first instant. And like second instant, let's see the second instant. After that we were started putting some kind of what you call this chart also. So if you look at this place 25 8 42, which was posted on 16th where it is 16th January. Let us look at the 16th January where we are. Yes, you see at this place 16th January once again is a good top, and then you see after that we never gone to that place then continuously. So what you can do is identifying the top using PCR, and then you can put one trend line and see whether market is falling. Once market started falling only you can take a position, because always we say that price is the king. So you follow the price as well as with PCR. You be ready for the reversal and then see once reversal starts, and then you can go for it. You see just one red, then after that you can continuously seeing the red falling falling falling. Actually if you see from the top somewhere around 882, how much point fall, it is close to 1000 point fall. Then after that we have seen some bounce recovery. So this is the one point I want to tell. Okay, let us go back. What is the next posting we have done? Yes, exactly, which is on January 22. Okay, January 22 we had seen this PCR is going below point 0.5. Okay, so January exactly January 21. Okay, look at the January 21. See, exactly it is a bottom. So after January 20 January 21st, after that you can see like it has retested, but what happened before that, it moved about close to from the low. If you consider, it is around 500 point jump. Okay, so we got 500 point jump. After that once again it went down. Okay, so we will see once again when we have posted. Yeah, this is posted once again on when is this? This is the last one. I remember Wednesday, last Wednesday. Like we look at the last Wednesday where it is. I think hope this is the last Wednesday. We have made once again the similar level. That is around 450 levels top. So 450 levels once again we have informed that it is more than one. Okay, just look at the graph. After that, okay, next day gap down straight away, and then we went up. Then you have got now how much point once again from 430 to 430 to somewhere around 800 900 point we got. So this is what this is the way PCR is helping us, and you can see now we have posted also how it is working. See, one day it got reversal also. I want to just tell you in between also you can trade using this thing. See here once again it was close to zero point 0.5. Okay, zero point 0.5. After that there was an intraday reversal, very good intraday reversal, and then after that once again we reached around 1.2. So here during the last few days, like we observed one point in this thing means basically I explained how it works. Now I want to tell you how you can see is actually you can go into sensible and then you can select Nifty here. Then you select the recent expiry. Basically, whatever levels for PCR I am telling, it is actually only last 5 days of expiry you can follow. And generally, whenever the PCR on the expiry day, you don't believe because the point 1 day or 1 day prior, you need not to see that. When that scenario comes, actually we are having a difference between Sensex expiry and Nifty expiry is away by 2 to 3 days. So whenever expiry day comes, you start focusing on Sensex instead of Nifty. That is what I want to convey here. So if you see here recent also the 29th we got a high, then it fell and it retraced, then further it fell down, and then now today it was down and then further we have gone up. So basically like now tomorrow is the expiry, so you don't focus on Nifty data. That case what you can do is go to Sensex data. Okay, go to Sensex data. Then you can start seeing now if you see Sensex data, it is around 0.93. So there is a 2 point of view. Here one is intraday also there may be a selling once goes one and above. And second thing positional close also. So there is a 2 points we can look forward. And second thing, every time we say one thing, see, we exactly don't know what level it today also if you see it is 0.93. So we will not be exactly knowing when it will be reversing. So that is why what I say one and above look for the reversal in the price, then you capture the trend. Same way we look for whenever the market is below zero point 0.5, look for the reversal for around 500 point, because till date we have seen two kind of reversal that all is going about 500 point only. So considering that somewhere around 500 point reversal you look for, that was the major aim for the this thing means reversal. And one more point I want to convey here, see, like as you are seeing now we are in a downtrend. Okay, when you are in a downtrend, focus on PCR 1 over PCR 0.5, because why I'm saying we are in a downtrend, so you should know where to sell. Okay, instead where to buy, because what I'm gonna where to buy, if you see here we are a lot of people were thinking that this will be the bottom because it was made like a double bottom and also people thought that it will be a bottom, but no, see, further it can break down. So that is why instead of looking long, you look for only basically selling opportunity using PCR 1 and above. So that is the trend of the market. Primary trend lies on the downside, so you focus on PCR 1 and above is the right point compared to doing something else. Okay, so that was a major point I want to convey. And then you look for the price reversal also, then you take a call. So that is what I want to tell here. Okay, so this is one point I want to convey. Then what we have identified till date is only in the falling trend line only, falling market only we have seen PCR how it is working. And when it is falling, it is we are getting more than 500 point, but when it is coming up we are seeing only 500 or 550 point only reversal. So here also you can see this was a 1 point around 480 or 470. 470 we have gone around 870 only, so we got around 400 points something I think. So 350 to 400 point only, but this side once again if you see the down we are getting a bigger one. So considering that, now when it is retracing and then coming, and you can wait for that kind of thing and then trade, that is one idea. And even in the intraday, once one and above goes, you look for the reversal and trade for even 100 200 point will be the more logical one for intraday is concerned. Okay, this is all the 2 points I want to tell. Then coming to the back to the presentation. So I have explained recent study and where to check. Okay. Now coming to the when to follow this. So basically when PCR is high and market is near resistance, it is the best time to go for short. So that is what we have understood. And when to focus based on PCR. If you see BCR is 1 and above, in retrace, because you have already seen a major trend line going downward, and then PCR is more than 1, and that is the best place, you confirm the price action, and then you can go for the new maybe like one more bigger trend towards downwards. Okay. And then what is the disadvantage in this PCR? See, basically, if you take market consistently, no indicator will work in market. Please understand that if that indicator is consistently working, then everybody will make profit. So basically, what happens is the market will react such a way that no indicator works always. So that is why I'm saying now this PCR for last 1 month it is working perfectly. So I am expecting till the time this downtrend is continuing, this strategy is supposed to work. So that is what I want to tell. So first thing, before, okay, this PCR you keep in mind and keep following. Whenever it is started working, it should work for at least 2 to 3 months. Okay, by that after 2 to 3 months, market will change the things, and then whatever, no, like what exactly happens is the PCR will be start not working, and some other tool will be working. So right now we are saying you can follow PCR for especially in downtrend, and first you identify the continuous working of 2 or 3 times of PCR, then only you can start applying a PCR in your trade. So till then you wait and confirm, then you take a trade. So that confirmation you need, and then second thing, because of that confirmation, you are taking that another few more days or few more months, it is going to work. Okay. Then that post confirmation only start applying the tool. And coming to the conclusion, if you see, basically what you are supposed to do is follow PCR in downtrend when PCR is greater than 1 and confirm the price reversal. So this is the first thing you have to follow. And basically, don't focus on PCR less than zero point 0.5. Zero point 0.5 can give a reversal, but that may be the minor trend. So when minor, don't focus on minor trend. When you focus on minor trend, the reversal may be very small, and then you need not to follow that. Okay, so that is one. And I have already told how to find the regime, whether this is the PCR working regime or PCR not working regime, you need to follow. So basically how to identify this also I explained. Apply PCR, look for at least 2 3 confirmation over a week or 2 or 3 weeks or even a month. Once that is started working, then start applying the PCR in subsequent weeks to get the benefit. And second thing I already told, please see, because we are trading the reversal trade. So when we are planning the reversal trade, look for the price reversal and then only you apply. This is second point. Coming to the third point, follow the risk management. So basically whatever position you are taking, follow your risk management, apply this PCR as well as price action plus risk management, which will give you the like a good amount of profit, and which I think hope I have completely explained this PCR. And I told that one more point, please understand that also, don't apply PCR on the expiry day, because expiry day can be a breakout and it may be violent move. So considering that, what you can do is basically don't look for PCR on the expiry day, select the Sensex, or if it is a Sensex expiry, select Nifty which is having more than 2 days of expiry, such that your PCR values are basically like whatever, no, believable, or the PCR value is proper. So that is what I will say. So believe on the PCR value where the expiry is more than 2 days. So don't apply on the expiry day, or one day before also you can look for the other index, that is Sensex or Nifty, because since both are they're available on weekly expiry, so you can look for that. That's all. I think hope means you like the video, and thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Happy trading. Thank you.